Hello friends, today we will learn about the industries in India. The process by which we transform the natural things into more useful products is called manufacturing. Manufacturing can be done by manual labor or by machines. The things which are used to manufacture and transform are called raw materials, and those produced are called manufactured goods. Industries are helpful in converting the raw materials into more useful products. To set up an industry, certain basic things are required. The raw material is the most important factor as its availability and price decides the amount to be produced and the cost of the final product. Machines are required for the manufacturing process. Without electricity, it is impossible for the machines to operate. Cheap and abundant labor is required. Finance is important, and that is why factories are set up in and around big cities. Transport helps in bringing the raw materials and taking the finished goods to the market.
Industries can be broadly divided into two categories.
On the basis of raw material, on the basis of investment, agro-based industries get their raw material from agriculture, which means that the raw material is grown on the field. The cotton textiles, jute industry, paper industry and the sugar industry are all agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries are those industries which get their raw materials from minerals. The iron and steel industry is a mineral-based industry. The raw materials for this industry include iron ore, coal, limestone, etc. Large-scale, heavy industries, small-scale industries, cottage industries. Large-scale industries. Thousands of people work in these industries. It demands more investment of money. Goods are made by machines. Examples of large-scale industries are iron and steel, cotton, shipbuilding and locomotive industries. Small-scale industries. These industries use small machines and employ less people. Investment is less. They make electric goods such as fans, sewing machines, etc. Cottage industries. Making of pots, toys, shoes, embroidered cloth, basket, cane furniture, weaving of cloth on the handloom in small units, mostly in houses with the help of family members, etc., constitutes cottage industries. The raw material for the cotton textile industry is raw cotton. Cotton mills are located in all parts of India, including Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Important cotton weaving centers are located in Kolkata, Mumbai, Madurai, Kanpur and Ahmedabad. Do you know? Ahmedabad is called the Manchester of India because it is one of the largest producer of cotton cloth in India. The raw material needed for this industry is jute, which grows well in West Bengal. Kolkata is an important center of the jute industry. The sugar industry is concentrated in sugarcane producing states of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Punjab. Most of these are in the public sector as they need a large amount of investment. The raw materials needed for this industry are iron ore, coal, limestone and manganese. It is a heavy industry as the raw material as well as the finished product is bulky. Automobile industry, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Chennai. Electronic goods, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai and Pune. Shipbuilding, Visakhapatnam, Kochi, Mumbai. Railway coach factory, Patiala, Kapurthala, Punjab. Besides the above, there are many other industries in India like those manufacturing cement, fertilizers, paper, plastics, computers, etc. Recently, the growth of the IT industry has made Bengaluru and Hyderabad the center of software production. Many multinational companies, MNCs, have also opened call centers to attract the techno-experts. The tourism and the film industry have recently contributed to the economy of the country as well. Let us summarize. Transformation of natural goods into more useful goods is called manufacturing. Industries can be classified into different types: on the basis of raw material, agro-based and mineral-based on the basis of investment, large-scale, heavy, small-scale and cottage. Agro-based industries, cotton textile, jute industry, sugar industry, etc. Mineral-based industries, iron and steel industry. Other industries, automobile, electronic goods, railway coaches, shipping, tourism, film, chemical, IT industry, etc.